Hi everyone, my name is Bridget and this is Liquidambar Girl Gardening, and today I am at STUMP, which is a plant shop in Columbus, Ohio, and I thought I would just give you all a nice little look around. I'll start right here at the entrance, and we have some snake plants and a beautiful regular ZZ, another variety of snake plant, and then they have all throughout the store, they have these beautiful Burgundy rubber tree, Ficus Elastica. They're gorgeous and they have them in different sizes, but I really wanted to show you this little planter. Isn't this darling? This tiny little air plant, and then you can peek through on both sides. It has a little hole where you can see the plant. It can receive light. I just love it. And I did want to say that a lot of the planters and things that you will see in this video, these are made by local artisans. Columbus has a really amazing population of artisans, and this particular stump, there are two stump plants in Columbus, and this one is in German Village. So we'll just keep going. But again, most of the planters and things that you see here are handmade or hand thrown, which is so nice. It looks like 45 for the snake plant and 41 for the planter, which is totally reasonable, especially considering they're hand done. So beautiful. Okay, so keep heading down the shelf, and there's this tiny rattlesnake Kalathia. Isn't it sweet? My sister-in-law is here with me, and she is really fond of this. It looks like $10 for the plant, $28 for the planter, so $38 for the pair. And then there's this beautiful, I don't know if it's a golden goddess philodendron or some type of lemon lime. I don't know, but it's pretty, whatever it is. And I have no idea if that's like a tiny parlor palm. And we're back to the beautiful Ficus Elastica, the Burgundy, and all of these yellow and green stripes. I don't know if this is a Dracaena. Anyway, I don't know if these are a Dracaena or a Euphorbia. I think they're a Dracaena, but I did want to show you on the top shelf up here this beautiful Monstera adansonii, and then this tiny little, it's like a reddish ripple Peperomia in a beautiful little planter with a matching saucer. Isn't that sweet? Love it. So cute. $38 for the pair. And then this is Hoya Ratusa, looks like. Really pretty.
I want you to have this one.
And then next to that we have some, I don't know if it's Spanish moss, which is a type of air plant, or if it's a different type of air plant, but we have some pretty decor there. And this looks like maybe a type of palm, but I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm not good at palms. And look at this beautiful plant. Is that maybe a Thematophyllum? And a whole bunch of small snake plants in all different types. If you like the fernwood, or if you like the starfish sansevieria. So beautiful. So let's move across to the center section, which is also filled with plants on this beautiful table. But I just wanted to show you these really pretty blue ferns. I don't know the exact type. They're $8 a piece. They're beautiful. I mean, they're like luscious. I can't get over how pretty they are. And then these Peperomia frost, where is the price? Which is in a nice maybe 5-inch pot. It looks like $18. They're really full and beautiful. And then, oh, look at, there's another philodendron. I don't know if this is philodendron lemon lime or golden goddess. I've seen them called both, but how much? 18. So that's a really decent price for a plant that size. And look how cute these parlor palms are. They're adorable. And then this, oh, beautiful. $8 for these gorgeous ferns. I would kill it in a heartbeat. So let's look up here on top of this table, which is so beautiful. There are these air plants. Sorry about the shadow. The lighting is all above and it's hard to show you stuff, but all of these sweet little plants. And I don't know if this is like a palm or what, but isn't it beautiful? It just feels like cardboard almost, like paper. And there are just the prettiest plants. I really, really like them. We have some little Calathea Orbifolia for 10. Beautiful. They're in beautiful condition. And again, we have the little rattlesnake Calatheas, also 10. And what do we have here? A Pothos. I can never tell if it's Enjoy or if it is Pearls and Jade.
You could probably go into an 11-inch because I think you'll want to get it kind of deep in there so it's supported. That's going to take up a little bit of room. If you do it in this, it'll allow the plant room to grow.
So here is a gorgeous Calathea Roofa Barba. I mean, it's big and beautiful. I want to show you better, but I'm trying to keep my phone aimed down so that I'm not being rude and filming people who may not want to be filmed in this shop. So anyway, here are some Dracaena and some Sansevieria that are kind of swirly. $8. They're beautiful. I don't know what that's called, but it's pretty. And these beautiful variegated leaves on the Dracaena, also just so pretty. Here are some tricolor Peperomia, $8. Oh, this is raindrop Peperomia, Peperomia polybatra. That was 15. And some more Pothos. And more Pothos. And then, oh, look at this gorgeous Ficus Elastica. Beautiful. That's just so pretty. And then down below here we have some Sansevieria, like bird's nest type, and they're like in a 6-inch pot for $18. They're really pretty. I love Sansevieria. Pretty Monstera. But then across here we have some more Ficus Elastica, and then we get to the Burrow's Tail, which is $22. And this is, they have some Philodendron Brazil. And those are really pretty full pots, really nice. Oh, and I wanted to show you these leaves. Look how they're all flat, and you're kind of like, what is this? And then you go further down, and oh, it's string of dolphins. Well, I don't know what's going on here, but for some reason the leaves decided to stop being dolphin-shaped. It's weird. You can see how snowy it is, and we're in for a lot more snow here in Ohio, unfortunately. Isn't this beautiful? I don't know what type of euphorbia that is, but it's gorgeous. I love these little pre-potted planters that they have. And then if you want to do your own, they sell little small succulents, and you can plant them individually like this. And look at the pottery. It's just, oh, it's so good. So, so pretty. And look at this guy. I don't know what type of euphorbia it is, but it's a beautiful, beautiful plant. It's got to have some good age on it too. $350. A little touch out of my price range. I'm not saying it's not worth it. It is. That has so many years of growth on it. Somebody's loved it very well. And this is beautiful too. I don't know what it is, but the way it grows. $120 for that one. And then just more succulents. Everything is just in beautiful condition. And this is a beautiful Strelitzia. I don't know which color. Beautiful bird of paradise. Really looking nice. And then we have more of these. I'm just going to call them Dracaena. If you know what those yellow and green leaf, if that's a Dracaena, or if it's not, let me know. I'd love to know, because they are really pretty. This is Dracaena. And a beautiful Jade Pothos and a really pretty planter. Isn't that so nice? And then look at the little tiny peperomias in here. Oh, isn't that the sweetest thing ever? Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I've made it to the other side of the shop, so that feels like a victory. It has mostly cleared out of people by now, so that is good too, because I don't feel cramped or quite as nervous. But of course now we're at the end. So I hope that this was enjoyable for you all. It's been really good for me, just for my soul, just to be out seeing other plant people and watching people buy stuff. And of course I bought a planter, and my sister-in-law bought 3 planters and a plant. So it was definitely worth the journey. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my Instagram, and I'm really active over there, especially compared with YouTube. I'm so sorry I haven't been active on YouTube, but I'm gonna try for 2021. So yeah, definitely check me out on Instagram. Subscribe if this video was entertaining for you, and I hope you all take care.